Today we're going to take this guitar photo and apply a duotone effect. Hello and welcome to an Affinity Revolution tutorial. My name is Ezra Anderson, and today we're going to learn how to create a stylish duotone effect. If you'd like to follow along with the same image I'll be using, I've included a download link in the video description. To begin our duotone effect, we're going to click on the adjustments icon and then select black and white. You can play around with any of these sliders however you want, but for now I'll exit out of the black and white adjustment. Then I'll come back to the adjustments icon and apply a gradient map. I'm going to click on the green circle for the gradient map and then press delete. Now I'm going to reverse the gradient map and click on the red circle and change it from red to green. Already, we have a beautiful duotone effect applied, but I'm going to show you how you can make it even better. To begin with, I'm going to merge all of the layers into one visible layer. To do this, I'll right-click on any of them and then select Merge Visible. Then I'll bring the new merged layer to the top. Now we're going to take the selection brush and paint a selection across the man. Our selection is already looking pretty good, but let's see if we can make it a little bit better by pressing Refine up at the top. It looks like I missed part of my selection, so I'm going to change the mode from matte to foreground and paint over the area that I missed. I'm also going to increase the smoothness of my selection. Now that I'm satisfied with my selection, I'll press Apply. Refining selections can be tricky to do, but it is crucial if you want to have a quality selection. If you want to learn more about how to make selections inside Affinity Photo, I've included a download link in the video description for our complete beginner's guide to Affinity Photo, where we spend an entire chapter dedicated to making selections. Now that we have a selection made, I'm going to apply a mask to this layer by clicking on the mask icon. It doesn't look like much has happened, but if we select the bottom three layers and then turn them off, you can see that we have just the man with the guitar on the top layer. I'll turn these layers back on now, and then press Command or Control D to deselect. Next, I'm going to come to the rectangle tool and click and hold on it to select the ellipse tool. While holding down Shift, I'm going to click and drag to make a circle. You can see that my circle is appearing behind the man because it's on the layer beneath the man that's isolated with a mask. Right now this white circle is a little bit too strong, so I'm going to lower the opacity. I can now take the Move tool, and while holding down Alt or Option, I can click and drag on this circle to duplicate it. I'll resize this circle a little bit, and then hold down Alt or Option to make another circle. I'll make one more circle, but bring this one to the top. I'll also make it a little bit bigger. The last thing I want to do is darken the background, so I'm going to click on the background layer and then come to the adjustments icon and apply a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Now I'm going to decrease the brightness and increase the contrast. To see the before and after, I'll click on the top layer, and then while holding down Shift, I'll click on the brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Now I'll turn them all off so we can see the original picture, and here's our finished work with our duotone effect applied. Thanks for watching our duotone effect tutorial. If you want to learn more about Affinity Photo, be sure to check out one of these great videos that will be floating somewhere over here. And if you want to see all the latest videos that we release, hit that all-important subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Affinity Revolution tutorial.